Hello students, welcome back to our channel As You're Learning with Divya. In today's class, we will learn about knowing our numbers from Ncert book of class 6th. Students, numbers are part of our lives. Without numbers, math cannot exist. And math starts from number itself. So, in today's class, we will be learning about need and importance of numbers and comparison of numbers. First, let us understand need and importance of numbers. Here, I have some toffees, and if I ask you to count and tell me how many are there altogether, you will start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and go on. Yes. So we usually start counting from 1, 2, 3 and we continue. Right. And these numbers are called as counting numbers or natural numbers. Counting numbers or natural numbers. Here we didn't start counting from 0. Why is it so? Because 0 does not have any value or it means nothing. It was also the last digit to be invented, but 0 after a number will have its value. Remember that. Now, for instance, if your mother gives you some chocolates and your brother some chocolates, how will you know who has got more? Yes, by counting. When can you count? Yes, when you know the numbers, you can count and say who has got more and who has got less. If you don't know the numbers, you can't count and say it, right? So it is important to know about numbers for our daily life activities too. Here, what are we doing? We are comparing between you and your brother to know who has got more or less, or even you might have got equal. So when you compare two numbers, you will get to know whether the numbers are equal or more than you or lesser than, right? When you compare numbers, we'll get to know whether it's equal or lesser than or greater than a given number. And these are the signs used to indicate equal, lesser than or greater than. Yes? You remember the crocodile mouth? Yes. Whichever side the number is more, open the crocodile mouth towards that number. It's so simple, right? Remember the crocodile mouth. Yes. So here 17 and 26 are the numbers. We all know 26 is greater than 17. So crocodile mouth has to be open for number 26. Right? Smaller numbers are easy to compare, but when it is two or more digits, we need to follow the rules to compare the numbers. Rule number 1. A number containing more digits shows a bigger number. Means when you are comparing two numbers, one number of 2 digits and another number of 3 digits means you can easily say 3-digit number is greater than 2-digit number. Look at an example here. 321 and 73. So here we can say 321 is 3-digit number and 73 is 2-digit number. So here we can easily say 321 is greater than 73 because it is 3-digit number, right? So 321 is greater than 73. So here crocodile mouth will be open for 321 because it's the greater number. Yes, 321 is greater than 73. Look at some more examples. 38 and 278. Here also 38 is 2-digit number and 278 is 3-digit number, right? So 38 is lesser than 278. Correct? So the crocodile mouth will be open for 278. Or we can also say 278 is greater than 38. Whichever side the number move, but the crocodile mouth will be open for the bigger number while comparing numbers. Here is one more example. 1234, 534 and 727. Here 1534 is 4-digit number and 727 is 3-digit number. So here we can easily say 1534 is greater than 727 because 1534 is 4-digit number and 727 is 3-digit number. So here we can say 1534 is greater than 727 or 727 is lesser than 1534. Here we understood how to compare when the number of digits are different. But how can we compare when the number of digits are same? Here is the rule number 2. When there are equal number of digits, start comparing from leftmost side of the given numbers and so on. So we need to start comparing from the leftmost side. Look at an example here. 465 and 572. Both are of 3-digit numbers, right? So we need to start comparing from leftmost side. What is the number in the first number leftmost side? 4. In the second number? 5, right? So when you compare between 4 and 5, yes, 4 and 5. 5 is greater than 4. So 456 is lesser than 572. Understood? No? We'll start comparing from leftmost side of the given number. Here in the leftmost side 4 is there and in this number 5 is there. So when we compare in between 4 and 5, 5 is greater than 4. So 465 is lesser than 572. Look at one more example. Here, in the given numbers 5724 and 5656, in the leftmost side, the numbers are same. Here also in the first number also it's 5 and in the second number also it's 5. Then how do we compare? We have to move to the second leftmost value. Here in the first number it is 7 and in the second number it is 6. Here 5 and 5 is same. So we could not compare. So we move to the second most digit, that is 6 and 7. When you compare between 7 and 6 here, which is greater? 7 is greater than 5 and 5 are same. Next, when we compare between 7 and 6, 7 is greater than 6. That means 5724 is greater than 5656. Correct? Here 7 is greater than 6. So 5724 is greater than 5656. This is how we compare when the given numbers are of same digits. Here we compared with second digit. What if the second digit is also the same? Then we'll have to move to third digits and compare. If the third digit is also same, then we will move to fourth digit and so on. So students, I hope you have understood knowing numbers is important and also comparing numbers. So based on your understanding, try to solve these questions. Thanks for watching and keep supporting